What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO Network Bank deposit accounts. So as you can see guys, BDO Network Bank. So magkaiba siya sa BDO Unibank. Itong BDO Network Bank guys is subsidiary siya ni BDO Unibank, which means located siya more on sa mga remote areas, sa mga probinsya kumbaga. It's a rural bank, yung BDO Network Bank. Si BDO Unibank naman is universal bank siya. Sa next vlog ko guys, pag-uusapan natin yung difference between BDO Network Bank and BDO Unibank. Sa ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung deposit accounts ni BDO Network Bank. So as you can see guys, ayan, si Mr. Coco Merdin. So, BDO Network Bank deposit accounts. Umpisahan na ang pag-iipon para sa magandang kinabukasan. Alamin ang deposit account para sa inyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, kung mapapansin nyo, si BDO Network Bank ay mayroong iba't ibang klaseng account. Meron silang savings account, meron silang checking accounts, and may time deposit accounts as well. May iba't ibang klaseng savings account din sila. Regular savings account, passbook. Savings account na may passbook. Meron din silang Young Pera Savers. Savings account na may passbook for kids and teens. So, ibig sabihin, itong Young Pera Savers ni BDO Network Bank savings account is good for children siya guys. So, ano nga ba mangyayari kapag naging legal age na si Young Savers guys? So, ibig sabihin kapag naging legal age na siya, automatic malilipat sa kanila yung pagmamayari ng account na yun. Magiging sa kanila yun pag naging 18 years old na sila. And then, meron din silang optimum savings account. Savings account na may higher interest. Ibig sabihin, compared to regular savings account, mas mataas yung magiging interest ni optimum savings account ni BDO Network Bank. At saka, meron din silang Kabayan Peso Savings. Savings account para sa mga OFWs at kanilang beneficiaries. So, kapag sinabing BDO Kabayan Peso Savings account, guys, yung target nito is yung mga OFW or Overseas Filipino Workers. Yung mga abroad. Then, meron din silang Pinoy Savings. ATM savings account na may 100 pesos lang ang maintaining balance. So, ito yung maganda guys kasi hindi ganun kalaki yung maintaining balance. Madali lang maabot yung 100 pesos. Kasi may account na 10,000, 5,000, 2,000 yung required maintaining balance. Pero itong si Pinoy Savings, ATM savings account na may 100 pesos lang ang maintaining savings account. Meron din silang Pribo Savings. ATM savings account na may higher daily withdrawal limit at free transactions. So, ibig sabihin guys, si Primo Savings na savings account ni BDO Network Bank ay savings account siya na may mataas na daily withdrawal. So, ibig sabihin, compared to other savings, mas mataas yung magiging daily withdrawal limit niya at free transactions. O, saan ka pa? Kapag nag-withdraw kayo sa other banko, other bank or ATM rather, free yung withdrawal transactions niya. At saka may payroll zero din si BDO Network Bank na savings account. Savings account para sa salary crediting ng company employees. Para sa mga empleyado. Ito yung pwede nyo gamitin, payroll zero. So, ibig sabihin, wala itong maintaining balance guys kasi payroll zero. From the word itself, zero. Then ngayon, let's move on to BDO Network Bank checking accounts. So, meron silang regular checking account guys. Checking account para sa pag-issue ng personal o corporate na cheque. So, ibig sabihin na ito guys, yung regular checking account is yung pwede kayong magbayad gamit yung checks. Like for example, if you have business, so you badly needed checking account. Kasi yung kadalasan, like for example, sa SM kapag nag-rent kayo, so yung required na bayad doon is post-dated check or PDC. So, when we say PDC, post-dated check siya. So, like for example, mag-issue kayo ng 10 cheque or 12 cheque rather sa loob ng isang taon. So, post-dated yan. Kasi pagdating ng date na yon, ma-encash automatic yun. Yun yung nire-required ng ibang rental services. PDC or post-dated checks. Kaya naman kailangan nyo yung regular checking account. Then, meron din silang automatic transfer account sa checking account ni BDO Network Bank. Yung purpose naman ng automatic transfer account is checking account na pwedeng i-link sa iyong savings account. So, ibig sabihin guys, from the word itself, automatic transfer account. Meaning, kapag nakalink yung savings account nyo dito, maglagay kayo ng date kung kailan magta-transfer yung pera, for sure, automatic madidebit doon sa savings account kasi nakalink itong automatic transfer account na checking account ni BDO Network Bank. Then ngayon, let's talk about time deposits. Regular time deposit, short-term investment with higher interest rate kumpara sa regular savings account. So ito guys, time deposit siya. So kapag narinig niyo yung time deposit, ano nga ba yung pumapasok sa utak ninyo? So when we say time deposits guys, it requires certain amount, certain period of time na hindi nyo mawi-withdraw or magagalaw yung dineposit ninyong pera. It's an agreement. So you have to wait for a certain period of time like 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, ganyan. Hindi nyo magagalaw yung pera kasi nakalagay yan sa agreement na kailangan nyo munang ipasok yung pera doon, regular time deposit or time deposit account nga. Hindi nyo siya magagamit. So you have to wait for that period of time bago mo siya magalaw kasi may charges siya kapag nag-withdraw kayo ng mas maaga. At syempre, mas mataas of course yung magiging interest niya. It's because yung pera ninyo ay nagamit talaga ni bangko. Then ngayon, meron din silang 2-year time deposit. O, ito maganda. 2-year investment with higher interest rate kumpara sa regular savings account. So ito guys, 2 years lang siya. So, meron kasing 5 years, 10 years, may 15 years pa nga, may 20 years. So, ito maganda siya kasi 2 years lang siya. After 2 years, pagka-deposit niyo, pwede niyo nang ma-withdraw nang walang charges yon. At may mataas siyang interest. Ito naman yung kinagandahan sa BDO Network Bank Time Deposit Account. So, ganun yung lahat ng merong account si BDO Network Bank. Checking account, savings account, at time deposit. So, ito guys, it comes with debit cards, yung regular savings account ni BDO Network Bank. At nais ko kayong paalalahanan guys, this is to raise awareness para alam nyo na yung savings account na nakalink yung debit card, naglalaman niya ng confidential details. So, dapat alam nyo paano pangalagaan yung confidential details na yon para maiwasan yung pagkawala ng pera ninyo sa savings account ninyo. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo guys na dapat inaalagaan nyo talaga yung details na yon, yung card number, yung expiry date, at saka yung CVC sa likod. So, yun lamang guys. So, sana may na-share ako, may natutunan kayong aral sa vlog na ito. I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye! Kariribok nyo lang mo.